Hello everyone. So today I'm going to do an unboxing video for you all. I received a package full of wonderful supplies from iCraft, and before really getting into creating a project, I thought it would be a good idea to show you these wonderful supplies. Thank you so much Forum and Team iCraft for sending this beautiful package across. So first are these wooden embellishments, a sort of a nice mandala pattern, which is going to be really lovely for any sort of layering. Next is this floral frame. Then I have these two stencils. This is something like an abstract leaf, this is an abstract design, both which are going to be lovely to add texture and dimension to projects. Then are there color sprays which are called Splash, and they come in some amazing colors. So it's Radical Raspberry, Midnight Coffee, Deep Waters, Grey Poignard, Rich Rouge, Sleigh Bells, Marine Blue, and Blue Street. So these are going to be really wonderful for any mixed media artist to add color to projects. Apart from that are some lovely chalk paints in assorted colors. So there's Shakespeare, Roman purple, a deeper brown, marine blue, a nice teal turque there, a black, apricot, white, which is called cream pie, strawberry crush, deep waters, and autumn valley. So these are some lovely chalk paints. Now apart from that, there are also these dewdrops in different sizes. So this is the big size, and then some of them a packet full of a smaller size. Then I've also received this lovely 12 by 12 frame here. It's like a shadow box or a frame, and I think would be a lovely surface to create a mixed media style layout. Then are these set of 2 element sheets, and they have some lovely floral clusters with some clusters of quotes which can be fussy cut and used for layering. And then is a 12 by 12 paper pad, serene shades, and it has different colors of a nice subtle pattern, 2 prints actually, and would make a lovely background for layouts, for journals, for cards, for tags, for anything really. So that's a look at that paper pad. So I'm waiting to just begin using all these wonderful supplies and creating a project. I will soon be back with a tutorial video. All these products are available on the iCraft website, and all the products are going to be linked in the description box below. Until the next time, take care and bye-bye.